Hey guys, we're in Breezy's garage. Here's that Chamberlain Wisper drive, 3/4 horsepower plus. And this is the lock button. And the light also works. And here we go. I wonder we can now let's push it. Now it's closed. Well, there's the Infinity and the Mazda in the garage. Well, there's no wheel on it. Okay, let's turn off the light. Now here's the light. Now let's turn it off. All right. I gotta stop the video. All right. I will need a video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe for the channel. Bye.